Okay, next up is the P83, standard sidearm of the Polish Army for quite some years. Interesting gun. The whole frame's made out of sheet metal stampings. And we have, instead of 6 and 8 round magazine, of 9mm makarov. I'm going to take this sucker out and see how it does. My burning up of the ammo. A lot different than the other gun. I mean, you got more grip, more everything. I'm shooting low and trying to adjust. So this is one you're gonna have to burn up some ammo before we get used to it. I'm getting it. Now just do some more ammo and get in there. Alright, I'm going to run 10 more through this and we'll wrap it up for today. It's starting to get crowded. But I'll bring these out again. They're fun to shoot. 9mm makarov, I think, has lost its popularity because the surplus ammo used to be dirt cheap and all over. Now it's kind of tough to find and it's a tad bit expensive. But you can easily get bullets in that to reload it, so. But even now, reloading isn't cheap. Okay, we're going to look at the target. Now I'm going to clean stuff up, get ready to roll. Alright, this one started off grouping low down in here. Don't know why. Like I said, the grip and everything on that gun, plus the fact that sheet metal, it kind of reacts when you fire it. But started getting up into here, started getting some into the red. You know, it's after shooting a little small one, which is a little small one no matter what. I haven't shot that in a couple years and I'm right on the money with it. Some flyers, this and that, but not bad. I have to gather up some Mac, maybe either reload some or get some. They're nice guns to shoot. They're fun, you know, and that's why I got them. Alright guys, so hit the like button, subscribe, and stay tuned.